afternoon, little things. I'm Andrea. Thank you for joining me today. Now, today I'm jealous because people are getting their pre-orders from the new catalogue and I'm not. And mine's not going to come until I don't know when now, because it's been in picking forever because there's bank holidays everywhere. So it's been picking forever. That dog, that noise is my puppy snoring still again, whatever. She's the noisiest snorer in the world, and she's all snuggled up in her bed in my craft room. I've tried to stop her snoring and she just won't, so I'm just going to have to go with it. Anyway, it's so hard to do with snoring, but I'm not wasting this light. Yeah, anyway. Anyway, I'm jealous because I'm not getting mine because of bank holidays here, bank holidays there, bank holidays everywhere seems to have bank holidays. Loads of people ordering, all the demonstrators have gone mental ordering. It's crazy. And normal orders as well, and retiring orders, and yeah, so things are a bit crazy at the minute and they're under pressure obviously again. So my order's been picking for ages and it doesn't seem to be shifting. If it shifts today, it's Friday, it's not going to arrive here until sometime next week. So I've seen this gorgeous DSP that's like a lovely leaf, really lovely soft tones and a leaf, and I want it and I can't have it. So what I've decided was I'm going to recreate something. It's not going to be as good, but I'm going to use this Birthday Blossoms, which is retiring set. I'm going to use this stamp here, and I'm going to use these colours. So here I've got Rose Red, oops, and I've got Sweet Sugar Plum, both retiring. Oh, all of these are retiring. And I've got Perfect Plum, and I've got Wisteria Wonder, and I've got Pink Pirouette, and I'm going to use them all. And I'm going to start off with Pink Pirouette, and the reason I'm not even going to start off with a clean piece of paper, and I'm just going to stamp out the, I'm going to stamp it off. Now you probably can't see that, but it looks gorgeous from where I'm sitting. It's a lovely DSP that I've made myself. I don't need to wait. And now I can make my little bag and gift tag, or little box and gift tag. Now just keep those, so keep those pieces to the side. So what you need is, you need a piece that measures 4 1/4 by 4 3/4. Sorry, 8 1/4 by 4 3/4. So that's 8 1/4 is 21 centimetres, and 4 3/4 is 12.1 centimetres. And then for the lid, you need a piece that measures 7 1/4 by 3 3/4. So 18.4 centimetres by 9.5 centimetres. And then we need to score it. Yeah, so this base then is going to be scored at 1.5. And 6 3/4 So 1.5 and 6 3/4, and then it's going to be scored at 1.5 and 3 1/4. Sorry, I'm just making it up as I go along. And then the lid is going to be scored at 1 inch on each side, but it's just going to be pulled slightly away from the edge. And then what I'm going to do is I'm just going to cut up the 2 score lines at the end, at the ends. Okay, and that's going to become our box. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to bring the 2 flaps in and the side up. So I don't want to notch this in at all, but I am going to notch in just the inside of those 2 edge flaps. I'm not going to notch in anymore. Okay. And then they're just going to come round. And the nice thing about that is that they almost wrap right over, so you don't have like a seam in the middle, like so. Nice size box that. Okay. So what you can do is you can put your glue those pieces if you want. Right, so I'm going to make a little card to go with it. I'm going to just make it a little 4x4, I think. I like 4x4. Or should I make it a little 3x3? I'm going to make it a little 3x3. Shades of pink coming down. I mean, it might be nicer if this was in rich raspberry, but it doesn't matter. And you might be able to just tag, you know, you might want to just tag an extra little tag on there. If you did, then, you know, that could be another one of these with a hole punched through it. And obviously you could make a little envelope for that. I'll zoom in a little bit so you can see it better. And I hope you enjoyed that. It's just shades of pink and that sort of, you know, sort of washed out kind of stamping. I don't know what it looks like on the camera. I'll try to get a really good picture of it, but in person it looks really pretty. That's really, really pretty. So it's worked out perfectly. So yeah, once, and it's got a little bit of a bump in it because this is quite thick ribbon, but once it's got its contents in, that's going to be nice and stable like that. Okay, right, so thanks for joining me, and I hope to see you again soon.